Hello traders, I hope you must have very good week. So if you haven't, then I had specifically told you to buy PSU, not directly buy, but I have told you to keep eye on PSU in oil and gas sector, and you can go and see every oil and gas company, be it GAIL, Petronet LNG, IOC, BPCL, HPCL. Go see ONGC, go see any one of them how their charts are. See, to be clear, I can't tell you every sector or every stock I am looking at or I am buying, but I try to give some hint on what I am doing. Okay, so that being said, so why I am making this video specifically is because some people have contacted me and asked me to give tell them broker through which they can just deploy their strategy. Actually, many of you have got fascinated by seeing result of SMA strategy that I have shown you. So let me be clear about it. So if I see that backtesting result, so it's clear that there are many profitable trades and very few trades are stop loss hit. And our risk to reward ratio is 2:1, 0.2% profit, 0.1% loss. But the thing here, I was just giving example. I was not considering that some of you will think that you can deploy it directly. I was just giving example to be clear. So what is difficulty in doing that? If you see, the price was 87, around 90. Okay. Or we can say 100, say around 90. So when price is around 90, so 0.1% was our stop loss. 0.1% of 90 is 9 paisa. 9 paisa isn't even a thing. So if you must be aware that in our market NSE, the pip goes by 0.5, means 5 paisa is a pip, means our price can be 89.05 or it will be 89.1 or it will be 89.15 or it will be 89.2. So our pip is 5 paisa. You can't put a stop loss on 89.09. Okay, that's not a thing. So if we go by if we say our loss is 10 paisa and profit is 20 paisa, that 0.1% more than 0.1% is a stop loss level and 0.2% is our take profit. So it's also not good because if you see 0.1% means 10 paisa is basically 2 pip. 2 pip can easily be a noise or very it's noise. It's always a noise. When you see this result, many long cover, I didn't made the code considering that you will be stumble on it. So in your code, this is the code that we have wrote till our previous video. If you didn't know, if this is your first video, you stumble on it, just go and watch previous video if you are interested in algo trading. And if not, then also we are gonna make different series for option trading also, for different also. I am here to give you knowledge and I'll give you knowledge. So just be patient. Don't be in a hurry to deploy strategy and start making money. Okay, we'll learn, we'll make money. So you should consider that you have studied at least 12 to 15 years, from more than 15 years, 15 to 18 years to get a decent job. And if you think that you can see few videos or if you don't practice much, you can make money, then you are misguided. So you have to invest not just money but time. You have to practice and you have to follow what I am saying you. I have no any motive other than to teach you. So okay, that's been said. So in this you just do one thing. Select this row, Control X. I'll just paste it above it. So what we were doing, we were just taking a profit before stop loss hit. Now we are just changing it from stop loss first and cover later. I'll just tell you what it means. So first let's go to graph. Okay, so let's go to 15 minutes candle. We can see what we had 14 close moving average. So moving average, let me change it to 14, somewhat thicker. Okay, so if you see, like for say this candle would have been so this candle would have been where I am pointing. This candle would have been is let me change this to so this candle would have been our buy signal. Okay, so if you see, our buying is at 97.9. okay, so it's on 4th of June on 10:15. like the candle will be closed at 10:30. so I'm at 5th of June, this is 4th of June. Change. It's 10 o'clock and here it's this would have been a profitable. What I wanted to say, just listen here, that it has closed at 97.9. Our order will be punched on 97.9, but it doesn't mean the order would have been executed at 97.9. It may execute at, if you place market order, 97.95 or even 98 also, or below than that also. But if it's 97.9, but if another order would be at say 97.8, someone else's order, someone just selling 2 pip selling can easily come. Okay, so if that selling come, then your stop loss would be hit. So if I do that wouldn't be a profitable trade at all. So we have just changed this stop loss, and in your system this stop loss code is below the cover. I just put it above. Okay, so what it means, that it will first see if the stop loss was hit, then if it will see whether if stop loss was not hit, then it will see whether it got cover or not. Okay, so let me just run this. It may show some warning at the end, but we shouldn't be considering it. Okay, so here then leave it. So you can see what you were getting, just long cover are actually just long stop loss hit, long cover, stop loss hit, stop loss hit, stop loss hit, stop loss hit. Most of them are stop loss hit. So you can't just trade on basis of that a simple moving average study. If you just think if a simple moving average is so profitable, then why would anyone has gone to something else? How a simple thing such that can make you a profit like this? What you were thinking, many of you were thinking. So just don't go for it. And next thing is, in next video, most probably I'll be regular in posting videos. So in next video I'll tell you how to make an strategy. I know many of you people are struggling, will struggle in making a strategy, and you just want to deploy it. Don't be so in a hurry to deploy it. I'll tell you when to deploy it. Before that, you have to make a strategy using 2, 3, 4 indicator. Use as many as you want. I'll tell you what at least how much you should use. In next video we'll talk about strategy only, how to form your strategy. Okay, and the next thing is, whatever strategy you form, you have to first trade it manually for at least a month. At least a month you have to trade it manually. Not a month, so at least 2 or 3 weeks you have to trade it manually. So if you were thinking that you can apply this simple moving average strategy directly in your algorithm, don't do it. You have to do it manually. You have to manually punch order for at least 1 month, then you will get to know. I have told you this, that this kind of error will happen if you use this strategy. So there may be some error that even I can't think of. So when you will get to know about those errors when you go and trade manually. So if in next few videos we'll form a strategy. Every one of you will have your own strategy, but what we will not do is we'll just not directly go and make a algorithm and just deploy it. We will first check it manually. We'll be confirm about it that this thing works. If it doesn't work manually, don't think it can work through any algorithm or anything else. First you need to have you need to have a strategy. For that you have to have good knowledge of technical indicators. Just tell me in the comments if you know very very good knowledge of technical indicators, and don't think that you have good knowledge of technical indicator if you've seen some videos on YouTube and you think that if things move over 80 in RSI it's oversold and we should sell it. If you know things like that, you don't know anything. Okay, so tell me in the comment how much you know it. Do you have a profitable strategy like which you deploy and generate profit for most of time? Like in the end of the day you are in profit. Not every day, but most of the day you are in profit. Like say in end of the month you are in profit. If you have that kind of strategy, it is well and good, but I know most of you don't. So I'll just after telling what strategy we should make, I'll make one video of candlestick pattern. You should just watch that video. In that video I'll tell about candlesticks. You should watch that video. In the next video after that I'll start with technical indicators. Every technical indicator have 2 videos. First will be about that indicator only, how that indicator is basically calculated and how you can use it. Okay, there's many ways to use. Believe me, there are many ways to use different indicators, and the way I use indicator are way different than what people tell in YouTube videos. If people had made money after seeing YouTube videos, then everyone would have been millionaire. But we all know the reality, that's not true. So we'll just stick to it. We'll form a strategy. I'll tell you how to use different indicators, and the second video of the indicator will be about the code, how you can add that indicator in your system if you want. Then if you think you have a good strategy after backtesting in few stocks, or in like try to backtest it in stocks, 10 to 15 stocks or Nifty or anything else. Backtest it, and if you think that you finally have a good strategy, for 1 month trade manually on that strategy. Other thing I want to tell you is the reference of the broker. Actually I am in talk with broker, and I am taking the authorized person. I am becoming an authorized person so that I can give you reference. And I see, if I would have told you and some people would have deployed that strategy straightforward, how many loss they would have got in a row. Many of them would have been just empty their account. So I don't want that. Don't be in a hurry. We'll go slowly, we'll go precisely. Okay, I'll get, as soon as I get that authorization, I'll I'll make a video and I'll let you know. I'll put it on our website. And the thing you have to do is like this video, comment how you like it, and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Join the Facebook group also. Okay, I think that's it for this video. That's all I want to tell you. Thank you.